Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 3-minute series on what is the Quran and why should you read it? Because it gives clear and convincing answers to the ultimate questions. The Quran is a book of guidance. It not only contains guidance but proves that this guidance is from our Creator. All of us at one time or another want to know who we are, why we are created, where we are going, etc. The answers given by the Quran to such ultimate questions are very clear, straightforward and convincing. Let us take some of these questions and the answers from the Quran. Question number 1. Who created us and what should we do in this world and why? Answer. O mankind, worship your Lord who created you and those before you that you may become righteous. He who made for you the earth a bed spread out and the sky a ceiling, and sent down from the sky rain and brought forth thereby fruits as provision for you. So do not attribute to Allah equals while you know that there is nothing similar to Him. Worship is as much a necessity as eating and breathing is, because for our spiritual and intellectual self, nothing can satisfy it other than the correct worship of the one and only true God. Why are we created? What is our purpose? Answer. He who created death and life to test you as to which of you is best indeed. What should be our most important concern? What should we constantly pray for? Answer. In the form of prayer taught to us. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those who have evoked your anger or of those who are astray. How can I get peace and happiness and satisfaction in? Answer. Surely it is in the remembrance of God that hearts find comfort. What will happen after we die? Answer. Those who believe and do good deeds will be in the gardens of bliss. But those who disbelieve and reject our revelations, these will have a humiliating punishment. Do I belong to any superior or inferior race? Answer. O people, we created you from a male and a female and made you races and tribes that you may know one another. The best among you in the sight of God is the most righteous. God is all-knowing, well-acquainted. These are just some of the samples. You will get answers to all the ultimate questions in the Quran. You will get clear guidance on what to believe and what to act upon. It's a complete book of guidance. Read the Quran. It is the best gift for you from God Himself for your own peace, happiness and success in this world and in the hereafter. You can compare these answers with those given by different philosophies and religions in this world, and you will know how clear, simple, logical and straightforward these answers are. The reason is simple. According to the Quran, other theories or religions are either man-made or distorted or lost versions of the original message given by God. And lastly, don't forget the miraculous fact that this amazing book was brought by a prophet who could not read nor write. It can only be from God. Check it for yourself. It is for you. وجزاكم الله خير والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.